Hello everyone, a very good morning from Bangalore. It rained a lot yesterday and I couldn't wake up earlier, but still it's 6:30 a.m. and I'm going for my morning walk. This is how it looks here. Like I got a haircut yesterday and it's a bit funny, right? I don't know, I am not liking it, but it's okay. The place where I went to get a haircut was an old man. This was the place where I went for a haircut, and we are going to a park right now. It's quite late today because I used to go a bit earlier. Still, it's okay. Consistency is the key, and we have to show up. That's what matters actually.